Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your web app and activities on your Google Map. So you want to open up the Google Map, click your profile on the upper right hand side, then click on your data in maps. Now, once you're here, you want to scroll down, guys. You'll find a section that says web and app activities. So you want to tap on that. And here you will scroll down, you will see that it's currently on or off, right? You can turn this on or off if you so desire. But in case it's on, that means that it's recording all of your web and app activities. So let's take, for example, Google Chrome, right? I can simply tap on the Google Chrome app here, and it's going to open up and it's going to show all my web app and activities here. So you can see, for example, I was looking at some apartments yesterday and all this good stuff. So it's actually recording all of your activities for each of these apps. So no matter what you do, this is going to show all of those apps and activities for you guys. And that's it. You can also scroll down a bit and you have manage all web app and activities. If you tap on that, it's going to open up and you can find more details here, the different applications, and you can just view in details more what's going on here. But this is how you check your web and app activities, guys, in Google Maps.